Oh my gosh. Something I absolutely love about my app is that I can literally go in, see the meal, and then go to servings and click how many servings I want to make, and then instantly add it to my grocery list right here. Protein, baby, protein. There was a lot of people. It made me feel uncomfortable, but I'm trying to do better, okay? Welcome back, beautiful people. I am so excited to be finally getting this refilmed because I did film this video before. But we are doing a come grocery shopping with me. Getting a little late start today, but it's still gonna be a good day. I washed my hair, as you guys probably can tell. So it is fresh and ready for today. And I probably need to put it up because it's gonna be so hot today. I think it's supposed to be 105 degrees. But we're gonna go grocery shopping. We're gonna run some errands. And I'm excited because I really wanna get into this meal prepping thing, but I wanna bring you guys along with me. Though I wanted to make myself a coffee, so let's go make one. A little fit, I'm gonna be wearing like a jacket, but easily like taken off. I like these longer sports bras. It's way too hot for like an actual shirt right now. Like 105. Here's the fit. And then I'm gonna wear tennis shoes. Also, I'm really trying to figure out what to do with my hair because it's actually naturally wavy, but I just don't know how to maintain it and stuff. So I'm trying to figure it out, but it is getting so long. Let's go make some coffee. For some reason, I just am not a light person. I'd rather just leave all of the lights off ever. I'm gonna show you guys how I make my coffee. My espresso machine is something I fell in love with at, oh my gosh, I forgot what this place is called. Saw this there and I was instantly obsessed. So I actually found it on Amazon and I was like, well, if it's on sale on Amazon, then might as well get it. It was $100 off. But okay, listen, this is an expensive espresso machine, but she's just beautiful. Very dirty right now, but like just, she's beautiful. She really is. I 100% recommend this machine. No. After over a year of using this, I've actually had to get a replacement because the grinder stopped working. But also it's just like, it's very unnecessary. Like it is so easy to just get a machine that, you know, grounds it and then you just brew it. It doesn't need to be super fancy at all. Do I regret purchasing it? No, because I love this thing. So if you are looking for like a really pretty aesthetic one, I would look into this one. I have it on my Amazon storefront, but in general, I highly don't recommend this one, okay? I'm the queen of romanticizing everything. Cute glass, essential. I do 2 shots today, so I need to clean this out. So I actually did film like an entire meal planning and grocery shopping video a while ago, and it just disappeared. I have absolutely no idea where the clips went. And I've tried all of my different SD cards and it's nowhere to be found. So I may have like accidentally deleted it or something, but I'm so upset because it was actually a really good video. And I embarrassed myself bringing my camera into a bunch of stores with people looking at me weird. So I have to do that again today. Okay. Use the cup that you are supposed to use for like steaming milk, just to make my coffee in. The Sam's Club membership, get this there. This is literally like $5.50 or something like that at Sam's Club, and a bottle like literally half this size would be $5 at like Target or whatever. And I pour this because a girl likes her syrup, okay? Raspberry syrup, and I just do like 3 pumps. This is really sweetens it up a lot and adds like another dimension to the flavor. Give it a little swirl. I do about half full. This is the absolute best oat milk for especially coffee. There's nothing that compares to this. Give it a little, just to kind of get it a little frothy. This stuff is amazing. We're whipping it up today. Oh my gosh, that was a beautiful pour. I like my coffee strong, but also sweet. Like, I don't like milky coffee. I like the bold coffee flavor, but also I like tasting that vanilla. Ready? That's good. I almost wish it was a little stronger, but it's still good. I'm about to head out. Of course, the lighting is terrible because it's so backlit, but we're about to go to my parents first, and then from there, I'm gonna hang out for a bit, and then we're gonna go shopping. I am relaunching my coaching, and it is all-inclusive in this really cool app. I'm working with a team of people, including a team of registered dietitians that create meal plans. So I have my own meal plan in here that I am getting groceries for to prep. So I decided on a couple of these meals to prep for the week. This is one of the meals I decided on: chicken stir fry with bell pepper, green onions, and rice noodles. The meals that I picked are kind of low-key meals, and they're not going to take a long time to make because I like quick and easy meals. Second meal I am prepping is this ground beef and pasta, which this one is very, very simple, and this one is more customizable to what I want. Really, it's just all about like the seasonings that I use in it and everything like that. I'm gonna get like a fun pasta because I do not like spaghetti. What I absolutely love about my app is that I can literally go in, see the meal, and then go to servings and click how many servings I want to make, and then instantly add it to my grocery list right here. So then it's literally all on my grocery list. So look at that. I have all of everything that I need right here, and I know what meals I'm making from it. Anyways, I just wanted to let you guys in on more details of my meal prepping and planning. Doing my meal planning differently before. Now I have like meals planned for me, but I don't follow that to a T. I just have like it as a general idea, and I can swap them out and everything for anything that I don't really feel like. And it gives me a bunch of ideas and really pretty easy meals that I can create with, you know, already prepared recipes and amounts to get good macros. So, being said, if you are interested in one-on-one coaching with me, create all the workout programs, and I am there to support you, help you with all your needs, help you build habits, do weekly check-ins with you to make sure everything is going well. The registered dietitians create the meal plans for your specific calorie or macro needs with dietary restrictions and any like preferences, such as like if you don't like salmon or if you are a pescatarian, a vegetarian, whatever. They create meal plans customized to you. If you are interested in working one-on-one with me, I would love to get to know you a little better. Head over to my coaching website, which is down below in the description, and fill out the form, and me or my team will get in contact with you. So let me know if you do end up filling that form out in the comments so I can run over there and check it out and get back to you as soon as possible. And when I'm making this video, it's not even launched yet, so it will be actually launched September 4th. So by the time you're seeing this video, it will be up, and I'm just so excited to be working with women and helping them get to their goals. Stop rambling on. Let's get going so we can get on with the rest of our day. I will see you guys when I arrive at the first store we're going to go to. Okay, this is stressing me out. There's a lot of people here today, so I probably won't film like a ton for here, but trying to figure out what I need on my lists. This is not a good setup. Sorry, guys. Hope you guys love your view. I think we're done here because they don't have any of the seasonal stuff yet because we live in a place that doesn't get stuff for a very long time. The biggest waste of time I've ever done in my life. By the way, this is my sister. She basically got more than me. I literally just got peppers.
I just got chocolate.
Well, no, you got chocolate, you got a cake.
Marshmallows, and I got cake, and I got dates.
She is like, I don't know, she and my mom, they have the biggest sweet tooths. Like, I am like a mix, but like they They have the biggest sweet tooth. I've never encountered someone with such a big sweet tooth in my life. But we're about to head to another store because I didn't get like anything that I needed here. But we actually are like on a time crunch, so I gotta go. But I'll try to do better with filming in the store next time. I was just stressed and kind of scared because there was a lot of people. It made me feel uncomfortable, but I'm trying to do better, okay? Right, now we are in Walmart. Let's go shopping. First, we're gonna look for some produce and stuff that I have on here. I'm just gonna speed through this so you guys will see what I get in the cart. They better not be messing with me this time when they said 15 grams of protein. Still lacking with my protein intake, so we're getting this. And I had to check if there's actually that much protein in it, which there's like a little less, but whatever. Pizza. Not pizza. What? I don't know what kind of pasta to get. I go with it. I think so, because protein, baby, protein. This stuff is actually good. Like, it doesn't taste weird. It is like a thicker noodle, I will say. Rice vinegar's over here. This is probably like one of my favorite vegetables. Raspberries. Cool. This stuff tastes so good. I'm home and I'm tired, as you can probably tell. It is 10:44 right now, but it literally feels like 1 o'clock in the morning. So I'm about to go to bed, and then when I wake up in the morning, I'm going to do the grocery haul with you guys. So I will see you then. Let's get to this grocery haul. Also, look at the fit of the day for the gym. Navigation top, navigation shorts. Anyways, we're starting with frozen. We got raspberries. I have a protein shake recipe coming your way soon, so stay tuned. Edamame. I keep saying edamame like with an N, but it's not that. Bananas, strawberries, and passion fruit. Lots of frozen goodies. For pantry food, I guess, non-fridge freezer food. Special K protein cereal. So it's like multi-grain with a hint of cinnamon. Hopefully it is a hint because I don't really like cinnamon. Protein pasta, this stuff is good. Thai Kitchen rice noodles, sesame oil, Oreo thins. That's also for a recipe too. Okay, last bit of groceries. I also got chia seeds and oats from my mom. She just gave me some, so there's that too. Whipped cream, Chobani oat milk, because I'm basically out. This I used for my coffee, as you saw. Gave me a cucumber from the garden. Turkey breast, this is for a meal prep recipe. Mozzarella meal prep recipe. Other recipe, green onions. I have literally never gotten green onions before. This is gonna be interesting. So much for watching this video and staying tuned with me. I have a lot more nutrition type content coming, meal prepping, and cooking videos, recipes for all different kinds of stuff. So stay tuned. Today I just wanted to do like a grocery shopping haul and show you some of like the regular things I get, and also just some things I'm getting for meal prep coming up. So I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe because a lot of good stuff is coming. But appreciate you guys so much for watching. Have a beautiful day.